Now I'm at the artist house in Bangkok, one of the places that you must visit in Bangkok. So without further ado, let's check it out and let's walk around this place, guys. It's really amazing. So please like, share and subscribe. Let's go. Quiet afternoons are hard to find, especially at the city's biggest tourist attractions. Here is everything you need to know about the artist house in Bangkok. The house is over 200 years old and sits right along the Khlong or canal and shines with ingenuity. The artist house, otherwise known as Ban Silapin and Khlong Bang Luang, is a place where both young and old Thais and very few foreigners gather to enjoy drinks, food, the community, and even the traditional Thai puppet show that the house puts on. The artist house is found tucked away behind a few winding sois or streets in Thonburi, Bangkok's old capital. So how to get there? The artist house. The closest BTS SkyTrain station to the artist house is Bangwa Station. From there, you can either walk around 20 minutes or get a motorbike taxi to their final destinations. The motorbike taxi ride should be around 30 baht. So we're gonna walk between the houses right here. See, do you guys know what is this? Colorful. This is all for the fish. Like if you want to feed fish around here, you can buy this. Yeah. So this is the fish pellet. Makanan ikan semua di sini. Wow. He's taking the bike up there. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Wow, it's so cool. They just passed all the way here with their motorbike. Wow, so many motorbike. It's really beautiful community here. It's so quiet and calm place. Wow, it's very green here. They put some plantations in front of their house. In this place, they used to have performance during the day, usually at 2 p.m. but I'm not sure today they will have performance or not for the puppet dancing. Okay, so if you're in Bangkok, please visit this place too. It's really amazing for you to know. Here you can also browse many kind of gifts. The souvenirs are cheaper than those in any of the main markets and around the city as well. Though the house itself is decked out in art, Artist House is also a gathering place for artists. Many of them huddle around the wooden tables, armed with a pencil, paper, and their creativity and spend an afternoon getting inventive. Okay, let's go up here on the bridge. Wow, nice air. Look at the houses there. It's made of wood. And then all the fish down there, so many fishes. This is really remind me of my childhood because I'm living in the small island like this in Indonesia, in Kepulauan Sumatra, Kepulauan Riau, if you know. So I lived there and our house used to be like this from the wood. So yeah, this is really remind me to my childhood. Let's go down there. If you come here, you can take nice photo here like this on this chair with the view of these houses, you know, this community, the artist house. Look at that fish, guys. So many fishes there. Wow, wow, that's very big fish there. So that's all the video for this artist house. So if you live in Bangkok or you travel to Thailand to Bangkok, please come to this place. This is one of the places that you must visit in Bangkok. It's really amazing community here, and also the place is quiet and nice, calm. It's really relaxing here. They have so many coffee shops and restaurants. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share to your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next episode. Bye bye from Bangkok.